Hey everyone, in this video I will walk you through on how to log into Work Ninja. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be ready to go in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser, tap into that, and at the very top you'll see a search bar. Let's tap there and you can type in Work Ninja login and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one, and let's tap into that. And you'll be greeted with a login page. There are two ways to log in. You can either log in through your email or via your phone number. In order to log into your phone number, you have to tap in that option, that's a phone number, and you might see a small flag. Tap into that and select your country like that. And all you gotta do is tap in your phone number and you'll be logged in. But we're not going to do that. For now, we are going to log in through our email. So you might see two empty fields. In the first one, let's type in our email. And of course the password. And if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. There's an option right below sign in option. There's an option that says forgot password. You have to tap into that and it will help you through. Also, there are other ways to sign in as well. You can either sign in through Google account or even your Apple ID. I hope you have an account on Work Ninja. But if you do not have one, you can simply create one by tapping in that create account option. So since we have already typed in our credentials, all you gotta do is tap in that sign in button and you'll be signed in to your Work Ninja account. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.